Okay, so 1 hour later, I have now dismantled the system very carefully, taking 1 hour as it's quite difficult to do without making errors. And everything is connected as it should be. The GPU is now not set up to work with the PCIe riser. Instead, it's plugged directly into my socket of my motherboard. And as you can see, it sits tight and nicely. I have put in the case here to act as like a GPU bracket holder or something like that, as otherwise the GPU will tip over. Hasn't happened, been very careful. And yeah, as you saw initially, this HDMI connected to the monitor is still working. Yeah. And so the system is set to off. And ideally, what I would consider need to happen now with the first boot up is that my GPU will work. It will start running, the CPU fan will start running, and I will get a signal on the monitor as just displayed with the laptop. Seeing that the only thing that's different from when I was running this here, you could say, bench setup previously while doing my RMA, everything worked fine. I then completed the RMA, got the new riser cable as seen here, installed it, and my system wouldn't get out an DisplayPort signal anymore, or HDMI signal. So ideally, having decoupled the new riser cable and put the motherboard into the socket, I would expect everything to work just fine once again. So let's see if it does so. Turning on the power. The HDMI is plugged in, and so CPU fan is running. P0 fan not running right now. GPU fans are running. Shit. But nothing is happening on my monitor at all. Damn. No signal. Are you fucking kidding me? Okay. The power is connected to the GPU and everything, and yeah, the fans will spin. So I guess either I now have a PSU problem, or my GPU is, I mean, it's functioning. It's the fans are spinning, and I can hear it running with the rest of the system, but there's no display output anymore. So I don't know if this just turned into a case of a faulty PSU unit. I'm not strong enough in that field to really decipher that. What is definitely the case regarding changes to the system is I only put in a new riser cable, and that was it. And now my PC definitely won't post even with the GPU riser off.